Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use Square Invoice to manage your own invoices. So now let's get started. First of all, you can create your account from get started. However, I'm just going to go to my account through signing in. So now I'm going to write my account. Then I'm going to insert my password. And now this is how your Square Invoices will look like. So basically here you will find many options on the left. So I would rather prefer a different approach to start this tutorial guide. This is by just going to more from Square here. And you will find that Square itself provides a guide for you or a sequence of steps that you can follow to ensure that you have completed the process smoothly. So in order to use this resource, we will follow it step by step. So I will just duplicate my tab here so that I can work on both tabs together. So basically our first step is to create your customers. So this is basically done. Let's just wait for the second page to load. Here it is. So I will just click on this menu and I will choose customers. And now you can see your directory from here. And you can create a customer or you can import your customers from here. So if you chose to import your customers, you will find that you can download the template so that you will know how it looks like. So basically it's classified as dates, phone number, birthday, and more information so that you can, by pressing next, you can drag and drop your CSV file by the same sequence. So you need to create a CSV file containing all of these data in the same sequence and pressing next, then choose to upload your CSV file from here, and so your customers will be uploaded with the right sequence. Or you can just go here and choose create customer manually. And now you will insert some information. So let's just insert one of our customers, for example. I would just enter any random combination and I will write the email address. And here you can insert the other details of the address. You can insert a group, company, reference ID or birthday, or you can just press on save and your customer will be created successfully. Now let's move on to the next step in the other tab, which is items and orders. So basically you need now to create an item and to create your first order. So now let's go back here and now let's go to this menu and choose items. Now you can either import your items the same way by clicking on this. You can download the template so that you will know the sequence of information that is required for you to insert so that you will make a similar CSV and import it from here. Or you can just go and create an item. However, by clicking on creating an item here, it will open a window which will require detailed information. However, if you chose to create an item here, it will be added on the fly. So I will just go to create an item here and create it with more details. So you can insert the name of the item. Let's say, for example, YouTube tutorials. You can insert the category here. You can leave it blank. You can insert a description. You can also insert your QR code here, but you need the App Store. You can drag an image here for your own object or item. You can choose your business, which is inserted when you sign up your account. You can add custom options. You can add variations. You can also create a stock here, so you can manage your stock so that you will know what is exactly in your stock, and you can add low stock alert, which will give you a notification once a specific item is low in your stock. Here you can add modifiers, custom attributes, you can add more options here, and you can sell online. However, I will just leave this step to the end because it's already in our sequence. Once you are done, you can just press on save here. Let's just wait for it to load. And it has been successfully added. So once you have created your first item, now let's move on again to the other tab, which shows that now we need to create our order. So now let's go to our menu here. And now let's choose items and orders, choose orders. And now here you can either export or create your order. However, if you choose to create your order, it will just redirect you to your insights, because unfortunately it will not be available until you completely set your own profile. Since there is no time in this tutorial to do so, you can just do it yourself. It's so simple and self-explanatory. You can just press on here and you can follow the steps that is shown in front of you in the pop-up menu. So we will just skip that. Here you can see the insights of your orders. And now let's go back and see other alternatives. So you can basically also manage to collaborate with other order partners. By clicking on this, you will find many options for you to integrate your own SquareUp account with other order partners so that it will help you to manage your own orders. So once you are done completing setting your profile and creating your first order, the next step is to just go to online sales channels, which will basically be the final major or the final critical step, which by going to orders here and choosing online sales channels. And here you can collaborate with Meta, you can collaborate with your own Facebook food ordering. So you can here set up your account and you will be all ready to go. Now, next step is to add your payments. So you can go here and you can go to payments here, subscriptions. Create subscription. Now you will need to verify your identity to start doing your own subscriptions. Once you do this, which as I said before, it's very simple to follow, there will be no problem facing you. You will be able to create your own subscriptions. Once you are done, you can now see reporting of your transactions, of your orders, of your items and more. And here you can control all your settings, whether it's related to your own devices or related to your own app integrations. And here you can find all the third-party apps that you can use. So basically, in order to start effectively and smoothly following the process of managing your own orders and invoices with the SquareUp, you can just go to here, more from Square, and just follow the procedures. It's very simple and it's very smooth. So that's it for this video, guys, and this is how easily you can use a Square Invoice. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.